Perfect angle.
Bitch, no it's not.
Perfect spot.
Bitch.
Anyways, good morning. And I'm sorry if I look orange. I don't know why.
What's up, bitches?
Every time I film, these big ass trucks always pass by. Like, let me film for once without the damn noise. But yeah, today's just gonna, I'm gonna work all day today, so I'm gonna try to vlog.
Running up to my bitch ass is like,
I'm like, what the f, dude? Shut the f up with your orangutan titties, you know. I don't know. I'm just trying to vlog. It's so humid out here. Like, Maxie, don't go in there. Not yet. Sorry if my lips are chapped. I just got up and I didn't put chopstick. Yeah, there's one song. Oh my god, last night, like, I fucking like fell asleep with the song on. Oh, the song is so chill and just it's so hot in here, out here. I'm sorry, I'm gonna stop saying that. I feel like I say that in every vlog, but bitch, what are you looking at?
fucking
Squirrel? I don't know who you think you are. You about to catch my hands. You about to catch my beak. But yeah, tomorrow's the leg day. I'm so excited. Tomorrow, I'm gonna have to wake up at 8 in the morning to go with my dad to serve a spot, to get a spot. And I mean, I don't mind it because I'm a morning person anyway. And like, the earlier the better, you know? I'd rather be, nature's like my habitat. I don't know if that makes sense. Like, it just is. Like, I like the trees,
the fucking
blue sky, and I don't like the insects. I'm not scared of the insects. I just don't want them to touch me because I'm just like, ooh, I don't know, I'm grossed out by it. Yeah, tomorrow's select day. Oh, I'm excited. And I'm sorry if I didn't post yesterday. I didn't have anything to vlog with. Like, literally, and I work all day. So I'm sorry, don't kill me. But okay, Wes, I can't be doing this. You have no excuse. So now I have to, cause I'm gonna beat myself up if I don't. I'm gonna stab myself. I'm giving myself a Caucasian uppercut and everything like that. Like, no, we don't need that. But yeah, I'm gonna do all that. It's kind of hard to walk because there's some angles. Like, I'm trying to be aesthetic, you know? I'm trying to get the aesthetic vibes. That's why I'm down here so you can see the trees and shit. Oh,
see you later, bitches.
oh shit, wrong button. Good morning. It's the next day from yesterday, and if my fucking camera fogs up one more time, oh shit. Fogs up because my camera's in my room, and obviously, oh well, y'all don't know, I sleep in a cold ass room. I just love cold rooms. I like to, like, you know,
get under the cover and think I'm a fucking polar bear, because that's what I am.
Shit. But yeah, today's 4th of July. Happy 4th of July to all you people. Hope y'all had a good day. Well, yeah, I hope y'all have a good day. Pop some fireworks and just chill with your family and friends and have a good time. But yeah, today I'm going to the lake with my family. That's why I got all ready. And yeah, it's gonna be fun.
I'm gonna play some volleyball.
I don't swim in the lake because that lake, I don't know, I just don't like swimming in that lake anymore. Feels weird, really, car. But yeah, that's why I don't like going in the lake. That's why I'm wearing like this outfit. Anyway, then at night they're gonna do like a fireworks show. Excited about that because I'm gonna film that.
Bitch.
Already got my camera ready. I hope you have a good day, and our 4th of July to America. So this is my outfit. It's just, you know, a Vineyard Vine swim short and a Vineyard Vine shirt because there's a fucking whale in the bag, and then a Vineyard Vine hat. Like, I'm a Vineyard Vine y'all asses, and then some some Sperry's, but I think I'm gonna take that off, obviously, because I'm gonna be on sandals and I'm not gonna fucking wear shoes on the sand. Yeah, this is my outfit, and then I'm gonna go get glasses. I think I'm gonna go buy some glasses. I think they look good. I'm thinking, you know, those round glasses, the sunglasses, they're like tinted blue. Yeah, I can see it. But yeah, I hope y'all have a good day.
Breaks your heart. I'll be with you. America, where we choose pride over character. And we can pick sides, but this is us, this is us, this is love. And in violence, it's tearing up my bones, left inside.
I woke up Chris Breezy. Oh my God, I'm the man. I'm so fly and I can dance. There's tattoos on my neck.
What's your name? What's your sign? Who that be in that drop? Be my sorry. Blown gas at the bar. Fresh vanilla smooth like a 100-year wine.
Pull me closer. Why don't you pull me close? Why don't you come on over? I can't just let you go. We're gonna fly. We got a night. You got the moonlight. I got the sky. We got the stars. We got it all. I'm a bad bitch. Fuck the bitch. Bitch get slick, I'ma cut the bitch. I'm a bad bitch, suck some dick. If that bitch gets slick, I'll cut the bitch.
This ain't my finest hour. Might see my flaws today. My words are out of order. Maybe my dreams today.
I wanna hold you when I'm not supposed to. If I could do it all again, boy,
Here I am stuck on this couch, rolling through my notes. I was